Coconut oil, at this point, we all have a jar in our pantry, and it might just be the holy grail of natural ingredients. I recently started using this magic potion to remove my makeup. Simply liquidify the coconut oil and gently massage it onto your dry skin, paying special attention to the heavy eye makeup. Coconut oil is not only safe to use when cleansing your face, but it's also quite effective and offers numerous benefits to your skin. It is antibacterial, anti-yeast, and also works as a great first aid cream. Because of its detergent effect, it works well as a makeup remover. This one-step solution not only works faster as a makeup remover in comparison to the chemical makeup removers, but also prevents acne and makes my skin so much softer, smoother, and clear. Once your makeup has been sufficiently melted away, wipe off the residue using a face wipe and rinse well. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Do try this remedy and I'm sure you're going to thank me later. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.